Have you ever wondered what is the structure of your heart? Why is the heart of this size able to supply the blood throughout the body? And most importantly, how does our heart work? This clip has the answer. Woo! Hi everyone, meet me again. What is the thing is recommendation Kun Matthew 5/4 number 25. Today I will present about the circulatory system, and today I will explain all of you wondering why is something like that, why is going to like that. So if you want to know that, follow me. Let's go. First of all, I would like to introduce about the medical term that you should know first to make it easier to understand it. Let's go. What is the structure of the human heart? Your heart has left side like this and right side like this. They are separated by the thin muscular wall called septum. Both sides of your heart have an upper chamber and lower chamber. The upper chamber we call atrium, like this, and the lower chamber we call ventricle. And if in the right side we call right atrium, and if in the left side we call left atrium. And this is right ventricle and this is left ventricle. Okay, and now anyone will notice that the wall of the lower left chamber is much thicker than the lower right chamber, like this. This is because the left ventricle relies heavily on pressure to supply blood throughout the body. And this is why a heart this size can be of pumping blood throughout the body. And in this way. And your heart muscles is made of 3 layers of tissue. First, pericardium, a thin outer lining that protects and surrounded your heart. The second one is myocardium. It's a thick, muscular middle layer that contracts and relaxes to pumping blood around of your heart. And the last one we call endocardium. It's a thin inner layer that makes up the lining of 4 chambers and the valve in your heart. This is additional knowledge time. First, chordae tendineae. The chordae tendineae is a fibrous tissue which attaches on one end to the edge of the tricuspid valve and mitral valve of the heart, and on the other end to the papillary muscles. And the second one is papillary muscle. Papillary muscle is a small muscle within the heart that serves to anchor the valves. Like this. This is papillary muscle. And the third one is artery. Artery is the vessels that carrying oxygen-rich blood away from the heart, all of your body's tissue. And the last one, vein. This is a blood vessel that take the blood back to the heart. This blood has lower oxygen content. Okay, and now I'm sure that everyone is ready to learn about the circulatory system. To not waste the time, let's go! Okay, I will show you guys about the direction of the blood flow in circulatory system. First, the blood that have poor oxygen blood is come from the superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. And superior vena cava is bring blood from the upper half body, but inferior vena cava will bring blood from the lower half body. And all of the blood from vena cava is gonna go to right atrium to the right ventricle that's passed by tricuspid valve. And then the blood will go to this. Will go to pulmonary artery to go to the lung to exchange the blood. But it's passed by the pulmonary semilunar valve, like this. And then the blood from the lung will go back into the heart, into the left atrium, from the pulmonary vein. And then the blood will go to left ventricle that pass by bicuspid valve or mitral valve, like this. And then the blood from the left ventricle will go to aorta to go to our body. And some blood will go to coronary artery to take care of our heart.